Hi, my name is Greg McLean. I'm the Customer Service Training Manager at Rural Energy Enterprises, and today I'd like to talk to you about installing your Toyotomi flue pipe in a wall of extraordinary thickness. So right here I have the install kit that comes with all Toyostoves. Okay, it has our elbow that comes off the back to the Toyostove. We have the hardware kit that has the screws and all the clips and everything for installation. Combustion air tube, flue pipe, and the shim. Okay, so what we're going to have going on here, okay, first off is we have a wall. This flue pipe is designed to fit a wall between 4 and 9 inches of thickness. And when we're going to be installing this in a wall that is thin, i.e. a wall that's like 4 inches to 5 inches thick, we're going to use the shim kit right here, and the shim mounts the inside wall. And then this bracket nests this, and there's some screw holes right here to tie this together to make it nice and rigid. And those screws come in your installation packet right here. Okay, so this is going to give us, when we put this together, that shim is going to reduce this thickness right here. So it's going to fit in a thinner wall, i.e. like a mobile home wall, or, you know, maybe some wall that doesn't have sheetrock in it that's a 2x4, something in that manner is where we would use that. So here today, when we measured up our wall, we found out that our wall is 10.5 inches thick. So we're going to need to use an extension flue pipe kit. It comes in 4 sizes. The 2047 9887 is for a wall between 9 and 13 inches. Then the 2047 9873 is for a wall from 13 to 16 inches. 2047 9874 is for 16 to 20 inches, and then a 2047 9875 is for 20 to 24 inches, and 24 inches is the maximum thickness that a Toyostove can be vented through. Okay, so in our application here, we're going to be about 10 inches or 10.5 inches. So we're going to need this 2047 9887 install kit. Here's our kit right here. It's very nicely done. Has some nice directions in it for everybody to follow. It's 2 components inside here. We have the combustion air tube, and then we have the exhaust tube. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this outside piece, and when we go to slip this together, slightly rotate that as we're pushing that together to make that nest properly. Watch yourself on this end. It can be very, very sharp and you can cut your hand. Then we're going to take our combustion air tube. It's slightly flared on one side. Then we're going to go ahead and bring that down and snug that up. This is on the outside piece. Then when we go to put this together, it's going to nest together quite nicely. And then we'll tighten this up until we get our desired wall thickness. So it's nice and tight in there. We want to make sure that the inside one says up and that the outside label says up. On our wire basket in the front, we want to make sure that one of our wires is the 8 o'clock position, the other one is the 4 o'clock position. That'll help the condensate drip off there nice and freely. You tighten this up, you're going to have a nice stove. If we're going to be replacing the flue pipe, and the flue pipe is only good for about 6 to 8 years in Alaska here, we're going to want to replace that with the 2047 8786 install kit. And it's the same kit as basically comes with a Toyostove. So it's going to have everything in here to make your installation of your new flue pipe successful. If you do have a wall of extraordinary thickness and you're going to be replacing the flue pipe, also replace the extension flue pipe kit at that time to make sure that we have a good flue pipe in our Toyostove. Thank you.